Warning, this is not an easy quiz. 25 tricky grammar questions. Most people can't even get 3 right. Think you can beat that? Let's find out. Question 1. I'd rather she blank me the truth from the beginning. Question 2. Not until he arrived blank we start the ceremony. Question 3. She acted as if she blank the owner of the place. Question 4. He blank have called you, but he lost your number. Question 5. Blank I known about the problem, I would have helped immediately. Question 6. It's about time you blank taking this seriously. Question 7. She demanded that he blank an apology to the entire team. Question 8. Rarely blank such a talented young musician. These questions are hard, right? But here's the good news. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English confidently. What you need are the right phrases at the right time. From Stuck to Fluent gives you exactly that. 500 everyday phrases in a 30-day plan. Stop overthinking grammar and start speaking. Link in the description. Question 9. He speaks as though he blank everything about the subject. Question 10. By this time next year, she blank her second novel. Question 11. I'd sooner you blank anyone about our conversation. Question 12. The proposal, along with the supporting documents, blank submitted yesterday. Question 13. Blank it not been for her quick thinking, the situation would have been much worse. Question 14. No sooner had the music started, blank, everyone began dancing. Question 15. She insisted that the report blank reviewed before publication. Question 16. Little blank he know that the surprise was waiting for him at home. Question 17. Were it not for his dedication, the project blank never have succeeded. Question 18. It is essential that every student blank the safety guidelines. Question 19. She would rather blank than ask anyone for help. Question 20. Only after reading the entire article blank he understand the main point. Question 21. So interesting blank the lecture that nobody wanted to leave. Question 22. I wish I blank so much time on social media last year. Question 23. Scarcely had we sat down, blank, the lights went out. Question 24. The director suggested that the team blank a different strategy. Question 25. Blank should you share this information with unauthorized people? Wow, you survived all 25. So how many did you actually get right? If you scored over 3, your brain really is extraordinary. And if you scored over 15, you're basically a grammar genius. Tell me your score in the comments. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you tomorrow.